The 28th General Chapter of the Salesian Congregation, to be held in Valdocco from the 16th of February to the 4th of April 2020, will make use of a working document. What is this tool? It is not the first draft of the final document, but the frame of reference aimed at facilitating the work that chapter members will be called to do. This is why it brings together a summary of all the reflections that have emerged from provincial chapters and aids the Assembly in carrying out genuine discernment, highlighting crucial issues to be resolved and topics that the Salesian congregation needs to explore further. But it is also a platform accessible to all provinces and Salesian communities around the world, useful for formation and discussion at various levels. How is this working document structured? First of all, it takes into consideration the three major themes indicated by the Rector Major, the priority of the Salesian mission to today's young people, and hence the queries and challenges involved in tackling current issues. The profile of the Salesian for young people, putting the topic of initial and ongoing formation at the centre. And finally, the need to be together with lay people in the mission and in formation, sharing the Salesian apostolate and spirituality with them. For each topic mentioned, a process of spiritual discernment in three basic stages is proposed. Recognizing or knowing how to look at each situation with God's heart, to the point of becoming existentially involved. Interpreting by going to the roots of the situation and discovering its deeper causes by applying theological, ecclesiological, pedagogical, and pastoral criteria. And finally choosing, selecting certain priorities and articulating them as the path for the congregation to follow over the next 6 years. Why use this tool? First of all, because it is a summary of chapters held in all provinces around the world, and hence it becomes a frame of reference. Furthermore, given the discernment process it gives rise to, this tool brings about a process of reflection and discussion that can go beyond the limitations of a general chapter and its final document, and can encourage the work of individual communities. Finally, in order to learn how to discern through this approach, it means being in harmony with the Church's journey and the experience of the Synod's involvement in recognizing new challenges and priorities. If each community and each province plays its part in this process, together we will be able to improve the growth of the Church and our Salesian congregation.